Alright, I'm gonna go take him outside. And today's episode is Emmanuel Takes the Dog Out Part 3. So, I didn't upload the Part 2 one because I just forgot. And I forgot it. Yeah, this gives me the creeps, guys. They're having a game competition. I'm so scared. Yeah, that's better. There's my dog. As you guys can see here off the sky, the clouds are really low. I'm not sure if it's gonna be lightning or not, but as you can see. But I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's something like a competition over there. You know, guys, I need to ask you something. You know that some people just take some, alright, you know that people, how they do games in high schools and stuff? That's them. That's actually them. But yeah, I had to put my light on right now. It's a good thing I didn't got a little battery, guys. Well, lucky for me. Well, anyways, there he is. Oh god, there's a man over there with a dog. I don't know if I can trust him on that. Or a lady. So anyways, oh shoot, no. Yeah, let's go inside, Jessica. Let's go inside. Guys, you know I'm afraid of the dark and stuff. Let's go. Let's go. You always have stuff going on. What? Let's just go. Don't just stand there. Guys, you know how I'm afraid of the dark and stuff. But I know that lady said always not to be afraid. Anyways, is it snowing, guys? On my camera, it kind of looks like it's snowing. Yeah, there's a game competition going on over there. I mean, some high school is. Man, these trees look scary. That's kind of scary. You know I'm afraid of lightning, guys. Let's go inside. Let's go. Oh my god, what is wrong with this dog? I can't breathe. Let's go! Is he just gonna keep sitting around? Yeah, guys. There is a game competition. I mean, yeah, I've heard some Wow! Never heard of that. Alright. You know, Yup, guys. You know what to say. I got a low battery. I got 50%. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. And also, like and subscribe if you like my dog.